Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, I will be presenting you our swimsuit pattern, Empire. Empire comes with so many options. First of all, you should choose your size. And then you should go for the lower hip or the higher hip according to your own taste. The lower hip has a little bit more coverage on the back, it's like a full coverage, and the high hip has medium coverage. So this swimsuit pattern has full coverage and medium coverage, which means lower hip or higher hip. But then you should still choose your bust, because we have included the C cup, the D cup and the E cup. This means that depending on the bust, the cup that you have for your bust, you should also choose not only the hip high, but also the bust if it's a C, D or E. The difference between these three sizes is 0.5, so the increment when I designed was 0.5 centimeters between sizes, but it's already a lot of difference between only having one option. I think you understand me. And then finally, I just want to let you know that it's very important to watch the sew alongs till the end, because I have included the power mesh on the front and back piece of the pattern so that it gives you more support. Mainly if you're E cup, you will need that support, and the power mesh really gives you that. The power mesh on the back pattern piece is fused into the lining, which means that you will not see that we have included the power mesh once you look at the swimsuit from the outside when it's on, but it's really a very huge result on giving you the support you need. And finally, I just also wanted to highlight that the E cup has a little bit, the design is a little bit different, not only because of the fullest bust, but also because the width for the strap is a little bit higher, so that you can have a wider strap if you have a fuller bust. And it has a curved center back seam. However, the angle for the curve is much more gradual and smooth than on our other patterns, which means that this back is just perfect. It sits, when you put it on, it sits on a certain place on your bottom, and that's where it's gonna stay forever. It doesn't move, it doesn't roll over, it's just perfect. Of course, to do so, it's a non-reversible pattern. However, you can see on the sew along that the only place where you will see a top stitch is on the leg lines. So I hope you like this pattern as much as I'm loving it. And that will be it for today, girls. See you soon. Bye.